Fiverr is a goldmine for authors, but only if you know how to filter through the noise. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to find, vet, and hire a professional book team. So here's a pro tip. We're going to use Fiverr Pro. So I want you to log on to fiverr.com and scroll down to this green area. Click the button that says Discover Expert Sourcing. This is going to take us to a page of people that have already been vetted by Fiverr as the top 1% of freelancers on their website. The first freelancer you'll likely want to hire is an editor. So when searching, start by being specific. Instead of searching for book help, search for the exact editor you need, like developmental editor. Now, here is a pro tip. You'll notice at the top of the page that there's a pro catalog and full catalog option. Make sure you choose the pro catalog option. This filters for freelancers like myself who have been hand vetted by Fiverr for deep industry expertise. It instantly narrows thousands of random results down to, in this example, 29 pro freelancers for developmental editor. Once you find a freelancer, look at their About Me to read what their actual experience is. And once you find a gig, don't just look at the price. Read what is actually included. This is especially important with editing. Look at the packages, look at the delivery time, and it's also important that you confirm they offer the type of editing you're actually seeking, because some editors, such as myself, only offer one type of editing. So if you need help with structure, organization, clarity, content, or reader experience, that is developmental editing, which is what my gig offers. If you need grammar, sentence level cleanup, or typos, you would put copy editing or proofreading into the search box. After you go through edits, you'll then move on to formatting your manuscript. This is where you take your book from looking like this to looking like a professional book. When comparing freelancers, look at the package tiers. Does basic only include an ebook or a certain word count and number of images? Check for revisions. Professional formatters will often offer a round of changes to ensure your interior looks perfect on every device. Once your interior is formatted, you're now ready to get your cover designed. And here's a pro tip. Make sure you get your formatting done prior to designing your book cover, because your designer will need the exact page count of your book. Because readers will actually judge your book by its cover, choosing a freelancer is a very important choice. So I recommend using filters. Not only can you filter by design style, but also genre, the file format you need, and things such as a 3D mockup, which is useful when marketing. When you click into a designer, don't just look at their main gallery image. Scroll down to their live portfolio to see the actual work they've delivered to real clients. This ensures their style matches your genre before you ever reach out. And here's a pro tip. No matter the gig, always scroll to the reviews. If an author has left a detailed 5-star or even 4-star review, that's your green flag. Next up is coaching. Now, this is another gig that I offer on Fiverr and can be useful for those who want to learn how to market their book, or even someone who has publishing questions or very specific questions related to their book. And if you have questions for any of the freelancers you're considering, I recommend using the Contact Me button to ask any additional questions you may have about the gig. All right, so here is my final advice. Don't hire someone just because the price looks good. Hire based on the service you actually need, the seller's experience, what is included, and whether the gig matches where you are in the process. Fiverr can be a very helpful tool for authors, but the clearer you are before you hire, the better your experience will be. You can find the links to my Fiverr Pro editing and coaching gigs in the description below. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more professional writing workflows.